This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by securing the prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Unlock the device with your PIN or biometric so you can change app permissions. The phone needs to be active. Open Settings and navigate to Apps or Apps and Notifications. This gives you direct control. If Digital Wellbeing is a system app, enable developer options in About Phone and USB debugging so you can use a DB later. Once you've reached the app list, tap Digital Wellbeing to view storage, permissions, and uninstall options. Now continue into the complex middle steps that actually remove the app. First, try uninstall or disable from App Info. If disable is grayed out, check Device Admin and revoke it. If that fails, use a DB, connect via USB, authorize the PC, then run a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 followed by the package name to remove for your user. If other apps block removal, reboot into safe mode and uninstall or disable them there. This avoids interference and lets you proceed cleanly without factory resets. Finish by cleaning up and checking that removal is complete. Reboot the device to finalize system changes, and then open Settings apps to confirm Digital Wellbeing no longer appears. Clear caches and reset any related permissions if you see remnants in Settings or Quick Settings. If the app persists, re-enable developer options and USB debugging, reconnect with a DB, and repeat the uninstall command. This is the single most reliable troubleshooting tip. Make sure to back up important data before running more aggressive commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.